Today we are going to take a look at my 1988 Volvo 240, this one. We'll do a walk around to check the condition of the car and see what's good and what's need fixing in the future. My name is Jeremias and welcome to my channel. Now let's get started. We are in Malmö in Sweden, the country where this car was born. Did you know that a fun fact about this model, or about the Volvo 240, is that when I record this video in 2024, it's 50 years ago that this car was first introduced to the media, and that happened in 1974. Sales started in 1975 and continued all the way until 1993. If we walk around the car, we can see that it's in reasonably good shape when it comes to rust. Of course, there are some blemishes here and there. And the paint has definitely seen better days. And also if we look on the hood, and we could either leave it as is and see it as character and patina, or maybe one day we'll do a polish. And underneath it's actually really nice. I'm very happy that it's so good underneath. And one day I will try to make some anti-rust treatment. Okay, time to pop the hood. And under here it's a bit dirty, but the motor is in really good condition. It runs great. One thing that's coming up, or that I want to do in the near future, is to replace the timing belt. And the engine is a B230F, fuel injected, really solid, reliable engine. And also here, no rust to talk about. But maybe do a wash up in the near future would be nice. Oh, I like this one. Hood light. That's a really nice feature. At the moment I don't think it's working, but I guess it's a lot of oxide and things crap in it, so I will fix that one. These wheels aren't that great. Do you agree? But new rims and tires are on their way with stylish hubcaps. If we look inside here, the interior is in unusually good condition, at least compared to other Volvos I had. Even the dashboard is intact and in great shape. The glove box works. It's common, it's hard to close. It starts to, I don't know what's called, sag, or the hinges are falling down. Also these are intact and in great shape. It's really common that these are broken. It's quite fragile, this plastic. Also the seats in the back are in really nice shape. I can't find any major or even small damages or holes or scratches on them. Maybe give them a good cleaning someday. And we also have this luxurious armrest in the back. I even think it's a hole, so you can access the trunk. I will show you. Okay, so if you lift here, you can see that you can remove that board and then you can access the trunk. Don't know exactly when this is a good thing, but it doesn't hurt. And if we look here at the dash, or instrument cluster, I guess it's called, of course the odometer has stopped working. Quite common issue, but I want to fix that in the future. There you can order a small, like a cog or something, and fix this. Not so many luxurious things here. There's no AC in the car. Glove box, also with this fancy, what do you call it, vanity mirror or something. Put on makeup or I don't know. And you can put some coffee here. Maybe not the best cup holders, but you can use them. Also all the door panels are in really nice and good shape all the way around. Also if you look at this one, it's as we say in Sweden, tip top. Do you want to look inside the trunk? I must warn you, it's full of garbage and stuff, and I mean, this is my daily driver, so bear with me. Okay, but we actually got really a lot of space here. I got plenty of tools, because when you drive around an old car, even if it's reliable, you need to be able to fix things. Some spare parts, ignition cables, some fluids, oils, coffee mug, gas, of course, some blankets. Under here we got our spare tire, really neat. Air compressor, fire extinguisher, coolant, oils. Under here we got some jack, or what do you call it, to jack up the car. Yeah, and a bunch of other things, garbage. So it's a really nice, perfect daily driver, this Volvo 240. A fun fact about these windshield wipers is that Volvo made them matte black to prevent them from potentially blinding the driver when the sunlight hit them. You know, the reflection. They weren't stupid, Volvo. Ooh, it's freezing today. You will see more of this car and other cool classic cars in upcoming videos. So take care and see you in the next one.